Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just did this silver cut crease and honestly, I really love it. I actually used a new palette and I was shocked by the quality. I used the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette and it looks like this. Honestly, when I saw this, I want to say I was at Target and I saw it, I was just like instantly drawn to it because I feel like, one, it's a pretty decent size eyeshadow palette. I mean, it's a full-size palette. And two, it had bright colors in it. And I feel like a lot of drugstore brands just, when they release palettes, are those like little ones and they're not very good. And their colors aren't usually very good either. But so far, I'm really happy with this. The pigmentation is great. They blend out really nicely. Alright, that's all I really have to say about this look. If you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching.
Alright, so to start this look off, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I just took a piece of tape and put it along the side of my eye, just so I could have that sharp edge when I went in with the black shadow to make my wing. The first shade I'm going in with is the shade Solar from the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette. And right now I'm just taking the shade and picking some up and packing it on my lid till I get to the color I want. And then I'm going to worry about blending it out later. But I pretty much took that all over most of the lid and in the crease. And then I took the shade Summer, which is this beautiful orange shade in the palette. And I packed that on the outer corner and then along that tape because I'm going to use it to help blend out the black shadow later in the look. And then this is where I blended the two colors together and made sure the edges were nice and blended and smooth before I went in and cut my crease. And then I just cut my crease, nothing too crazy. I wasn't trying to be like too precise. Just because we were going in with a shimmer, I wanted to lay the concealer down to kind of help the shimmer stick to the lid and pop a little bit more. Now I will say the silver looks much less intense before I get the black shadow on, but once I get the black shadow on, it really helps it just kind of like pop and show. But like right now on my lid, it doesn't really look that vibrant. And then I took a black from just any palette that was sitting near me and started packing it on. And I have to say, this, I don't remember which black it was, but this was not my favorite black eyeshadow ever. It was really difficult to work with, but I just kept adding more and blending and adding a little bit more and blending and just trying to be really careful not to drag a ton of that shimmer over into the black, just because I still wanted to keep it really deep black on the outer wing. And then once you're done doing that, just take off the tape and clean up a little bit. And then I just went in and did a thin little black line on my lid. Threw on some mascara and put on some false lashes, and these are the Lily lashes in the style Mykonos, which I have to say I've been really into just really big dramatic lashes no matter what kind of makeup I'm wearing, but it definitely went with this look. So I primed my skin off camera, but I'm just taking my foundation and going in and just putting that on, which is really when I kind of felt like the look was starting to come together, because to me foundation makes such a huge difference when you have like intense eyes. Alright, and this is where the tutorial gets a little bit choppy, just because I held a mirror up and I just did not realize I was covering up the camera as much as I was. So basically most of all these next clips, they're very short and just quick because, I mean, you just couldn't see anything. But if you do want to see a little bit more about like my face routine, I did film a talk through that I don't think it's going to be the next video I upload, but it's going to be the video after that. So if you do want to see how I do my base makeup, then I'll link that down below when it's up, or subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. And then I just took some black liner and put that in my lower waterline, and then took some black shadow and smudged that out. and then added some lower lash mascara, and then I was done with the eyes. So then I just took some bronzer and added a little bit of warmth back to my face. And I do take my contour powder and just do some light contouring on my cheeks and forehead just to bring a little bit more shape and dimension back to my face that was lost with the eye look. And for blush, I took the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blush in the shade Fantastical and put that all over my cheeks. I've been loving blush lately. And for highlight, I took the Colored Rain highlighter in the shade Selfie and just put that on my cheeks and down my nose. And then for lips, again, completely cover up the whole clip. But if you're curious about the lip combo, I'll leave it on the screen and linked down below.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please go give it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit the subscribe button down below before you leave so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I will talk to you soon.